Cornelius here from Martens CNC. In this video, I will show you how to import tool sets into Fusion 360. So what we're going to do is hit the file, and we're going to hit open tool set. We're going to find it in your folder, USB, wherever it's going to be. Let's do the SheetCam Tools 45XP. Hit the tools and hit open, and we're going to do feed rate, plunge rate, ramp. We can do all of this if we want to, and hit OK. And then it should be imported. There you go. We had 20 tools, now the 45 is down here. So now if we do an operation, new part, let's do these slats here, open, okay. The post-process these here, we can select our part now. Now we have the option for aluminum down there. And you can also change the name of these if you want to, because this is in millimeters now. So you can just grab your calculator and change them to inches. So we'll just hit OK, and that way we have our speeds and everything set. And there you go. Now they're imported, and over here in your tools, let's see. Here we have our tools, and we can open this table a little bit bigger. So what we can do is here we can edit them. So if we can do just we can change these to 2 inches. Let's say instead of 10 millimeters, what is this, like 3/8 or something like that? Let's just call that 3/8 and hit OK. Now if we go down here, it'll be called 3/8 aluminum. So yeah, just hit the table over here, open the tool table editor, and expand it. Just you can even edit the kerf width and everything, feed rate. If you notice that your pierce height and everything isn't where you want it to be, or your pierce delay, you can just edit that. Just edit everything in here however you like it. You can refer to your hypertherm chart if you're using a hypertherm, and set all that up. So yeah, hope this helps.